Hello, in this video, I will try to explain the possible risks associated with the long-term use of Travazol cream. First, let's talk about the effects of long-term Travazol use on the skin. With prolonged and uncontrolled use, dermatological changes such as skin thinning, increased sensitivity, discoloration, and visible blood vessels may occur. Another important issue is the risk of systemic absorption. Although Travazol cream is mainly intended for local use, applying it over large skin areas, for long periods, or under occlusive dressings may increase the risk of the active ingredients entering the bloodstream. This risk should be evaluated more carefully, especially in children, older adults, and individuals with sensitive skin. Another risk that should not be overlooked with long-term use is the development of microbial and fungal resistance. Using the medication longer than necessary may reduce the sensitivity of microorganisms to the drug, which can cause the treatment to become less effective over time. So, when should you definitely consult a doctor? If there is no noticeable improvement despite treatment, if unexpected side effects occur on the skin, if redness and irritation increase, or if signs of infection spread, you should consult a healthcare professional without delay. In summary, Travazol cream is an effective treatment option. However, long-term and improper use can lead to serious risks. Using the medication as recommended and seeking professional advice when necessary is the safest approach. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more similar content.